starting up here at the 10th fret, 7th to 3rd fret. D, B, G. I do all of that with just one finger. So there's a lot of, finger jumping going on. It's in the key of G major, the G major scale, and we're kind of going all over the place with it, but it's really, effective with these intervals here. So I'm not really going to call them out. I'll have the tab, here above or somewhere on the screen, but and that first part repeats 2 times. And then it goes into the second part here. I'm sitting down, so it's kind of awkward to play it that way. You can do it with one finger and just slide up. So there's a lot of repeating lines in this, and a lot of it's taking place here on this D string, and it goes into this, what I call the third part, because the first part repeats 2 times. But up here at the 10th fret, a lot of it's starting on this D note. Excuse me. So that run right there, when you fret that B note there on the D string, give it a full bend. Half bend, excuse me. So starting over. When I slide down from this G note to this F sharp, I kind of hold it for about a good, a whole note. Give it some vibrato, little drama. Back up to the D. I'm kind of illustrating this just with my first finger here, but you can I like to hold that D note there also for effect, as you can see at the beginning when I'm playing it. And this is the final line here. So this final note here is a G note, and I like to end that with a harmonic. I don't have all my distortion on right now. I kind of turned it down just so I can illustrate, what's happening here. And then end it with a big G power chord. I included a pig slide. That part repeats, and then it goes into the second part. The rocket's red glare. I kind of flubbed that a little bit when it does that E to F sharp there. I like to play it with my third finger to fourth finger, and then grab that G note down here on the G string. So one more time. That part repeats one more time, and then it goes into the second part.